These alarm sounds apply to the FireAngel CO-9X and CO-9X-10. If the red LED is flashing once per second and there's a repeating series of 4 beeps, this means dangerous levels of CO detected. You must follow emergency procedures. If the amber LED is flashing once per minute and there's a single chirp once per minute, this means low battery or fault. If under warranty, contact their technical support. If no longer under warranty, you must replace the alarm. If the green LED is flashing once per minute and the alarm is silent, this means normal operating mode and no action is required. Please regularly test your alarms and advise friends and family to do the same. Thank you.